one of the biggest things destroying your generation is alcohol and drug use.
Hey guys, I'm Camille Schreier, Miss America 2020, and I want you to go to soldouttv.com and take the drug and alcohol abstinence pledge.
I took the sold out pledge. I was very excited about it.
You guys in here are going to take that pledge.
It will benefit you and your future. Take that pledge and live drug and alcohol free.
Take the pledge, first name, school, give us your comments. We need to know your feedback on the program. Okay, so no alcohol or drugs at all. That's called abstinence.
We appreciate the sold out program coming.
That we had these people influencing us.
For me, I chose not to drink my entire life, which, as you can imagine, being a student athlete, even going into college, it's very difficult to separate yourself and be different than the crowd. But I always tell someone, if you're in the top 10% and you go left, everyone goes right, and you're sure you have conviction about your choices, be yourself, be true to what you're passionate about, and bring people with you.
I always tell our kids, you got to put in 110% into everything that you do.
I got to tell you guys, I've been around it. I've been offered drugs, alcohol. I'm alcohol and drug abstinent. I chose to be that way 17 years ago because I saw my own family who's an alcoholic, generational alcoholic family, and some of you come from families that have generational alcoholic. It means it's passed down. It's generational. Meaning that my brother, when he was 17, took his first drink of alcohol and he was not able to handle it for 17 years. He was a closet alcoholic. I found him when he was 32. He had spent his whole life drinking and as an alcoholic. So you have to be careful. Every one of you should go home and ask your parents, do we have a generational alcohol problem in our family or drug problem? Because what that means is that you can't have it. My brother can't have alcohol. Can't have it in a cake. Can't have it at Thanksgiving in a pie. He has to check it. He has to wake up every morning and say, today I'm not going to drink, because an alcoholic is an alcoholic for life. So I'm just here to tell you guys, you can be that friend when someone's going to try a drug around you, to remind them, listen, I care about you. I want you to live. Please, please don't do that. We have to take care of our friends. I'm not asking you to take care of everybody. I'm asking you to take care of your good friends. So if we go to the pledge page, you can hit that poster later on in the school with the QR code, or just go to soldouttv.com. In there, when you scroll down the page, you're going to put your first name and your school, and then there's a box there. Regardless if you choose to take the pledge or not today, we want your feedback. The reason why this program works is that 4 generations of students like you that went to this school, the Dare County Schools, we've done this for 4 years, have given us feedback that has helped us change our program for the better, because we know what you like, what you don't like, some of the things that you tell us you deal with, some of the challenges that you have in your life. I'm asking for you guys to go discreetly on your phones, mobiles, or computers some point today and take that pledge. And basically what that pledge is, it says, I pledge to be drug and alcohol abstinent, which means that daily I'm going to make a decision that that's not going to be a part of my success plan. I'm accountable to my parents, friends, teachers, and coaches. 2, I pledge to have my good friends be alcohol and drug abstinent and hold them accountable. 3, pledge to share my decision with my parents and guardian. We're asking you guys to go home today, if you do make that pledge, and have a discussion with your parents and say, listen, very simple, I made a drug and alcohol abstinence pledge, I just wanted you to know that. Your parents will be ecstatic like I was for my 2 kids when they told me that. So there aren't any good circumstances for doing drugs and alcohol. So the fastest way to keep you from getting to your dreams and goals and the place you want to go is drugs and alcohol. But the problem is today, fast or slow, dying wouldn't be a good alternative either. And to let your parent or guardian know that you made that decision, that you are committed today. You may already be drug and alcohol abstinent. And if you're doing drugs or drinking today and you want to make a change today, that's great too. Because it's never too late to change. It's never too late to make a difference. So I'm committed to it with you. I'm in it with you. I make a decision every day to be drug and alcohol abstinent. Have done it for 17 years. It's a decision I make every day I wake up, that I'm not going to let someone else influence me into doing something I don't want to do that could ruin everything for me.